In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks in Monday.com. This is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow and make sure that no important task slips through the cracks. Let's dive right in and take a closer look at how you can set this up. First, you'll want to open up Monday.com in your web browser. This is where we'll start setting up our recurring tasks. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. Once you're there, you'll see an option to log in with Google, which is a quick and easy way to access your account if you've got a Google account linked. Simply select your account and you'll be directed to your personal Monday.com dashboard. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the board where you want to manage your tasks. Every team or project typically has its own board, so make sure you choose the one that fits your needs. Once on the board, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Automate button. This feature is key to setting up the repeating tasks. After clicking Automate, you'll see an option to create automation. Go ahead and click on that. We'll now specify what triggers our automation. This part is crucial because it determines when your tasks will be created. Click on when this happens, and in the menu, type the word every. This will guide us to set up a recurring schedule based on time intervals. Next, select every time period. Here, you can determine the frequency of the task, whether it be daily, weekly, or any other time frame that suits your project. Take a moment to consider how frequently you need your task to repeat. Once you've decided, set it up accordingly in this section. Once the frequency is set up, we need to decide on the action to be executed whenever this time condition is met. Specify what the system should do, such as creating a new item on your board or sending out notifications to team members. With all of these parameters in place, go ahead and click Create Automation. And just like that, you've set up recurring tasks that will automatically pop up based on the conditions you've defined. This automation feature really is a game changer for managing workflows effectively. By using it, you ensure that your team stays on track and your projects progress smoothly, all while saving the time and hassle of manually inputting tasks over and over again. Congratulations, you've just taken a big step toward greater efficiency and productivity with Monday.com. Keep exploring its features to make the most of this powerful tool.